Google Earth. Alright. Y'all think we got this? React to Drake. We gonna do that after this. We go do this. What is that? What is that? What is this? What you think sounds like that? What you think sounds like that? A seal, a penguin, and a cormorant. Cormorant. I'm gonna go. Oh nah. You hear this shit, bruh? Hold on, let me see if y'all can. Make sure. What you think sounds like? Hold on. I have to hear this shit. How it sounds on this. Like, what is that sound, bruh? Hold on. I'm gonna guess. Nah. It can't be a penguin. Ain't a penguin going? Wah, 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 wah. Science Friday, and it's Friday. It can't be a penguin. It might be a seal. I'm gonna go with nah. It can't be seal. It might. I'm gonna go penguin. It was the seal, bruh. It was the seal, bruh. Next animal. Why that Loki sound like a? Sound like you go sheesh, sheesh, a little hair, sheesh. All right, so we got sea. There's a sea cow. You said what the fuck was that noise? What it? WSG? What's up? What's up? What's up? But what is that, bro? Sheesh. It sounds like it's saying sheesh. Oh wait, there's more. Hold on, we'll listen. The whale? Y'all said the whale? Humpback whale? Let me see. Oh! The whale! I was dead. I was about to pick that sea cow money. That sea cow was about to go dummy. I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Come on, bro. What is that? Hold on. I'm not looking at the chat. I gotta do this myself. American bison. Nah, it can't be a bison. A bison would be you have more bass. So it's either these two. So awesome. Opossum. What is this? Oh, I accidentally clicked it and it's right. I accidentally clicked it in there. Chug Jug with you. You know the vibes. What's up, Brody? I accidentally clicked it and it's right. Okay, that is not nah. J-Yo. Oh, Nikki, my girl. Nikki, what's up? What's up? Trust in me. American American things. Dang you. What do you think this sounds like? This sounds like a sheep. I ain't gonna lie. A sheep. It can't be a coyote. But then again, I never heard what a coyote sound like. A elk? I really don't know what the hell this is. A elk? Elk? Yo! Oh, I'm shaking the room. Yo, y'all got it. Y'all spamming elk? Damn. Man, look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Next. Hold on. This creature doesn't sound so happy. Who made this sound? Oh my, that's a warhog. No way! You can tell I didn't go to kindergarten. I don't know No, bro. Trust me. I don't know any of these noises either. Bro, kindergarten? I thought that was a warhog making that noise, bro. How is that a monkey? I wish I could hear it again. All right, I'm not gonna rush it next time. Verified scientists. See, now this is monkeys, but it sounds like, all right, it's definitely not the hyena. Oh wait, hold on. It actually might be the hyena. It actually might be the hyena. I ain't gonna lie. It actually might be the hyena. This don't sound like birds to you? I'm gonna pick the hyena. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god. Oh my, and then we got some nasty ass bugs on the screen. This is a cricket. I have never seen these. A and B, I have never seen those words in my life. A grasshopper. I'm about to just pick grasshopper because I know what a grasshopper is. But A and B, what is that? Hyena? Yeah, I thought it was hyena too. I want to get this right. Like bad. I might go. It's you think grasshopper? I might go grasshopper. I ain't gonna lie. I might go because I don't know what A and B is. Oh my god. I'm from the hood. I've never seen them facts. You hear them but never see them. Why? How was it a? What is this? A katydid? A katydid? I'm from the hood too. I don't even hear them grasshoppers, bro. I'm in the city. Back to the hyenas. You cannot tell me this is not a monkey, bro. You cannot tell me this is not a monkey, bro. Hold on, I need both ears for this shit. Hold on. Alright. It might actually be a lemur. I'm not gonna lie. It might actually be a lemur just because. No, it might be C, bro. A rock? What is bro? What's the pictures? Give tips? Alright, let me close this. Ew. Wait, the pictures give tips. Is that a dog mating? Bro, I have no idea. It sounds like... Hold up. I know the pictures match up. A goes with the first one, B goes with the second one, and C goes with the third one. But it's like... how many I got right? I got 3 right and 4 wrong. I gotta make it even. Come on. I gotta tie up the series. I gotta go positive. I can't go negative. I'm going with lemur. Closing my eyes. Oh my. That is definitely not a bald eagle doing that. That is for sure. That is not a bald eagle doing that at all. It's either a sparrow or a blue jay. If that is a bald eagle, I swear to God, bro. It's a sparrow, bro. It's a fucking bald eagle. Wow. And just like that, that is my animal sounding challenge. It's a damn bald eagle. There was no way that was a bald eagle, bro. No way. That's BS. Wow. Real talk out. Wow. Hyena. Yeah. The hell? What was that? What the hell?